Welcome back, CNG 132. This is our very last week together. Um, as you see, if we scroll all the way down, there is no week 11, um, and week 11 would be this week, which would be the 5th through the 6th. Um, if you haven't already, make sure you take your final exam, go in there and take that and get that done. It should still be available because, yeah, it should be because there's no stop date on it. So make sure to get in there and take it. I went through all the gradings, so your grade should be marked. I did get a few emails asking where the submission for the security policy is. It's down at the very bottom, and depending on how you have your views set up, I have 200 per page. I believe the default may be 10 or 20, so it might be on another page. Um, Depending on how you're looking at it. If you did the Kaplan or Kaplan test, please submit those. I know there was some issue with the bookstore, so those may not have been done if you didn't get the chance. But if you're trying to, once again, prepare yourself for the security plus, um, make sure to go do that. Um, that would be a good thing to take part of, especially when you're just starting out here. And I wanted to show you guys something. If you're looking for discounted training, I did see an invite in my other student email. And this is for CISSP training. It's offered at a discount. And it's a pretty big discount. Usually these trainings go for around, I don't know, I want to say about $1,500 or more. And where did it go? Uh, and this is hosted through the Denver ISSA chapter. But if you guys see this, I'll put this link in the notice too. Basically, they're doing training. Let's see if there's still any open positions before I do this. Yeah, so general public, 5 tickets remaining. $25 for CISP Domain 1. Like I said, these are Saturday training sessions from 9 to 4. Very, very in depth, and you're looking at more like you consider this like a boot camp style. So if you want to go, once again, I'll put the links in the news so you can check those out. That would be if you're trying to get into definitely cybersecurity, but if you want to lean towards more administrative security, uh, like a network administrator, and be more aware of security measures, that would be a good one too. And at $25, you really can't go wrong taking those courses. Um, Once again, grades are posted. I entered zeros for everything, so if you do have a low grade now, start submitting items, and I would start with labs since those are 40% of your grade, or the projects. I'm sorry, projects 40% of your grades. I'd start with those and really get those hammering out. I will be calling individuals today to let you know where your grade is at and how to bring that up on a one-by-one basis. Um, I want to say great scores so far for those of you that taken the final. Um, you guys, and I was kind of blown away by this. Um, this summer actually scored higher or the highest that I've seen so far, and that just shows me that you guys were really reading the material and absorbing the material. Unbelievable, good job for that. Um, just really, really high numbers, and even the class average is really high for a summer course. Good job, and expect to get a call from me about the course.